Hey guys, today I will show you all the coolest motions and gestures on ZTE Blade A55. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down and go into features. Then gestures and motion, gesture and motion. You can enable double tap the screen. So if you just double tap the screen, it's going to power off your device. Yeah, not power off, but just lock. Right, now another one is free finger swipe for a screenshot. It's just going to take a screenshot. Now we have things like pick up the phone to lower volume, pick up the phone to lower right volume. So just when someone calls you, if someone is calling you, if you pick up the phone, it's going to automatically volume down the ringtone. And you have like a shake to turn on flashlight. So just exactly what do you think it is? If I shake my phone, it should activate the flashlight. Yeah, this one doesn't really work. I don't know. Maybe because I have low battery percentage, and also you have somewhere like snooze, dismiss, and alarm. So you can just tap the snooze. When alarm goes off, you can just tap the screen with 3 fingers. It's automatically going to turn on snooze. And if you would like to dismiss it, you can just flip the phone over. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.